you again. Oh man, all you motherfuckers, like I always say, you're in my PM box nonstop, all day, every day. I love y'all too. But I'm not a fucking magician. I don't make these snakes come out of thin air. Just because you want a fucking purple tiger in the month of December doesn't mean I can make you a fucking purple tiger in the month of December. I don't care how many times you ask me for a new availability list. I hatch eggs from fucking March until August. Every fucking year. That's when I have a good fucking solid availability list. I don't do shit from fucking November until fucking February. I got leftovers, a couple things here or there. Those lists are already on 17 goddamn fucking pages on the internet asking me for a new fucking availability list. Every time I turn around, isn't gonna do you anything but piss me the fuck off! Ivor Jones, give